Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make 3-minute video and TikTok. So please watch the full video and also give a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, if you have not updated your TikTok, then go to Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. After that, open TikTok app and tap on plus icon, and now tap on 3-minute option. Here you can see 15 second, 60 second and 3-minute. So with this option you can make 3-minute video. So I hope you will like this option of TikTok, because TikTok has added this amazing feature. So now you can upload more than 60-second video or 3-minute video. So please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Goodbye.